Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make mutton and this is one of the delicious recipe you're ever going to try. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken a pan and put it on the stove. With that, I'm going to add half cup of oil into it. And with that, I'm going to take onion paste. Like I've taken the onions and I've boiled it and make paste out of it by grinding it. I'm going to fry it and mix it. Now I'm going to add garlic ginger paste, about 1 tablespoon. And this garlic ginger paste is also available at any supermarket already made, or you can make it at home by just adding garlic and ginger and a little bit of water into it. The next ingredient is going to be salt. You can add salt according to your taste. With that, I'm going to take white pepper, about 2 teaspoons, and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Green chili paste, about 2 tablespoons. You can make it at home by just adding green chili and water. With that, I'm going to add black pepper, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. After mixing all these ingredients, we're going to wait until unless these masalas are dissolved and mixed together quite well, and we're going to wait 3 to 4 minutes. And with that, I'm going to add some of the mutton. I have taken some mutton, I've washed it quite well. I've taken half kg of mutton, okay, and I have washed it quite well, and I've added it in this. With that, I'm taking fresh almonds, about 8 to 10, and you can add almonds according to your preference, whatever the quantity of almonds you like to add, it's up to you. Now it's time to add some water, where we can say that we're proceeding towards the end of the recipe. So I've taken 1.5 cup of water and I'm going to add in this. With the help of a wooden spoon, I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well, and you can clearly see the mutton has soaked under the water. I'm going to cover it with the help of a lid and let it boil so that all the mutton is tender and soft. While this is taking to be getting tender and soft, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So you can see the water has evaporated a lot. I'm going to give it a mix with the help of a wooden spoon again, and we have to see that the spices does not stick to the pan. And now we're going to add milk, 1 cup of milk, and this is like going to give really good flavor to a recipe. This is like a creamy mutton, so this is where the flavor begins and flavor comes. I'm going to add some corn flour to give it a little bit of thickness. I've added 1 tablespoon of corn flour. It will like give the gravy more gravy. To avoid lumps, we have to stir it with the help of a whisk and stir it until you can see that there are no lumps of like cornflour in the mixture of milk and water and all these masalas. Now we are going to let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Take it off and mix it with the help of a spoon. Now you can see the recipe is completely ready. We can present in front of guests in a presentable dish, and this is really delicious. You can eat it with tortilla wrap, naan, roti, or paratha, or whatever you like to eat it with. So do try this recipe at home, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and so they can have access to my videos as well. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment in the comment section and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.